Hallo ihr liebe Leid, hier ist wieder der Jenki mit Let's Play The Walking Dead auf pälzisch. Die letzte Episode haben wir das Essen verteilt, was noch übrig waren, Rationen. Und wie ihr gerade eben noch gesehen habt, scheinen die Leute nicht sehr zufrieden zu sein. Und jetzt geht's auch gleich hier schon mal weiter mit dem Patient, dem arg geschleppt haben.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing.
Let him go, Katja.
But
Der ist unter Strom.
It's been a rough morning.
that man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Ja, ein paar Blute wahrscheinlich, ne?
What about the other kid?
Oh oh. Oh oh. Ja, jetzt wissen wir auch Bescheid, dass die Leute nicht durch einen Biss verwandelt werden. Wow. Ah, den können wir so rumschaukeln mit dem rechten Control-Stick. Oh, Mann. Wow, tritten weg. Jesses. Haust du ab, du widerlicher Stinkbeutel. Benutze den linken Stick, um abzuhauen. Okay, jetzt haut doch mal zu. Und auf die Goschfaller. Oh, Oberin Martell-Move. Kotz. Wow, für Teufel, er ist mir die Haare rausgequetscht.
Thanks.
Wow.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed! Why didn't you tell us he was bitten?
Trophäe erhalten, Gesprächskiller.
Say a goddamn word. But he wasn't bitten, I swear. Well, your not bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife. What? Wait, you all don't know? What the hell are you talking about?
It's not the bite that does it. You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
Ja, das ist auch die ernüchternde Wahrheit aus der Comics und der Serie.
We're all infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know. All I know is that I've seen people turn who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Back off!
Uh-oh.
Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
Are you armed?
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How
Interessantes
y'all doing on
Angebot.
food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Ja, das sollten wir uns nicht entgehen lassen.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out? See if it's legit.
Ja, das ist eine
I'm
gute
going
Idee
with
sogar
you.
mal.
I got your back if anything seems fishy.
So, what are y'all thinking?
Ja, das ist ein Angebot, das können wir nicht abschlagen.
You've got a deal. We'll bring some
entschieden,
gas
dass
to
alle
your
gehen
dairy.
sollen.
In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.
Ja, dann gucken wir doch mal, wie das läuft.
You guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
Klingt doch nicht schlecht.
It's nice to get away from that motel for a while.
Oh ja.
This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
Kenny keeps us motivated. He believes in hope and knows how important it is for us not to give that up. I can't fault him for that.
Or maybe you just don't want to be in charge.
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
Because of your past. Does anyone else know?
Larry knows.
Great. That can't be easy.
Clementine
Yeah.
knows. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it. I couldn't lie to her.
What
Ja,
exactly
richtig.
did happen with the senator?
It was an accident. I mean, I pretty much knew about the affair. Sometimes I wonder if I should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things went to hell doesn't matter anymore.
Das sehe ich
I'm
auch
sure
so.
everyone would see it that way.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times. It doesn't have to make you a bad man.
Ja, wie gesagt, das kann ja nicht jeder nachvollziehen, dass bei einer
Really
Affäre da,
appreciate that.
dass man da
I mean,
durchdreht.
thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Where are you from?
I grew up in Macon.
Right here in the heart of Georgia.
Ach,
That's
du
what I
liebes, was
like
ein
to hear.
Kinnmann.
Y'all seem pretty settled in at that motor inn. Who's running things over there?
Lili, die ich mal sagen.
Lily runs a pretty tight ship. Her and her dad are ex-military.
Die St. John-Brüder haben
she
sich
knows
das
her shit,
gemerkt.
but she needs to know when to back off sometimes.
How many people you got over there anyway?
Enough to defend ourselves.
Well,
Du hast sie wissen lassen, dass ihr bereit seid,
dangerous
euch
out
selbst zu
there.
verteidigen.
Well, you guys know. Well, we'd love
Denn
to
das
get
sollte
you
man nicht
all
alles
out to the
erzählen.
dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
In the summers, I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's great. Everything helps.
Mama's been running a dairy for well, as long as I can remember, but now it's
You
getting...
think you're gonna cut me out of this?
Aha. Was kommt da jetzt Nettes?
trying to cut you out of anything.
You and Gary are always hooking this shit.
Bandits.
Those look like the people who raided my camp.
Aha. Die Typen, die im Bensai Camp überrannt haben.
You guys were keeping it all
There's
to
only two of
yourself.
them.
Oh no, there's
Yeah,
a
you know
lot
what?
more.
We ate it all. What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens, but let's just wait this out. Hope they move on.
Fuck you!
Hoppala.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Jesus.
Asshole!
Reizende Typen.
The world out here has gone to shit. Come on, let's get to the dairy where it's safe.
Heieieiei, nee, da sind wir wirklich bei lauter reizende Menschen hier gelandet. Also ich steht erst aus dem Gebiet, steht ich fortgehe. Es hält uns eigentlich nichts mehr. Das Motor-Inn, das ist total baufällig, da kann man nichts mehr machen. Dann lauter so Widerlinge in der Umgebung und da halt noch die Typen von der Molkerei, die jetzt eigentlich einen netten Eindruck
Here
machen.
it is. St. John Family Dairy.
Ja, sieht auch schön aus.
Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
Ja klar, das nützt auf jeden Fall was.
You betcha. They fry like bugs in a zapper. We're pushing
No.
4,000 volts through that thing. Generators and amps.
Das ist
I'm
nicht
going
schlecht.
to assume that's a lot.
Sache schönes Haus. Ich finde es auf jeden Fall auch schöner als die Green Farm, muss ich sagen. Ja, da ist dann noch die Mama im Haus.
This is a really brilliant setup.
Suits us just fine.
This place looks untouched. You never know the rest of the world is in ruins.
Ja,
It's worth protecting. Hence all the juice.
na
I
schön.
saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our mama.
I'm Brenda St. John, and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This here's Lee. He's from Macon.
A couple of our old farmhands were from Macon. They grow 'em good there.
They got a few more friends
Was
staying
eine
at the old
Bande. Das sieht aus wie
motel.
ein Charlie Harper
goodness, that
verarme,
place
der
is pretty
Typ.
vulnerable.
Der Anna, der sieht ein bisschen aus wie der Stan aus American Dad. Ach du liebe Zeit, was eine Bande.
We all work together. Plus, we've got plenty of people with military experience.
Richtig.
That's good to hear. That motel ain't the safest place.
Hold on, I thought you said someone else was running things.
Oh, yeah, I thought she was asking about survival tactics.
Well, it don't matter. You're here now. We'll make sure you're safe and comfortable.
Thanks for having us. We brought some gasoline on good faith.
Sind wir mal einfach
We're all
höflich am
incredibly
Anfang.
hungry.
These are for y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
Oh,
Amazing.
nicht schlecht,
Can't
nicht
get
schlecht.
stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's right. Hopefully Maybelle will make it through this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet. We could bring her.
Ja,
We can help you folks out.
das hätte ich jetzt so rausgeplatzt. Das wäre
Our prayers have
wär
been
noch was
answered.
Schönes gewesen, für in die
Maybe
Hinterhand
our
zu
whole group
behalten.
will come. For the day.
Well, how about this? Y'all go get your veterinary friend and I'll prepare some dinner. A big feast for all you hungry souls. It'll be nice to have some folks to help out around here again. Danny, why don't you come help me out in the kitchen?
Klingt an sich schon nicht verkehrt, die Sache, ne?
Why don't I head back with the food and round up everyone for the trip over here?
Might want to take someone with you. Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
I can handle myself.
Take this. Why don't you go ahead and take Ben along anyway?
Take care of yourself, Lee. See you in a while.
Alles klar, dann gehen die zwei wieder zurück und der Mark und der Lee
Mark,
sind
Lee,
übrig.
why don't you take a look around? Once you get settled in, I could use some help securing the perimeter.
Ja, prima.
Problem?
Sometimes the dead get tangled up in the fence
Ugh.
before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter.
Ja,
You can learn
klar.
a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry.
Kann man
Come get me
nachvollziehen.
when you're ready.
You betcha. This
Das,
place is
ja.
incredible. It's got food. And that fence?
Will ich aber sagen, die Pfosten sollten nach tiefer und vielleicht auch aus einem anderen Material gemacht werden. Also Holzdinger, die gehen ja relativ schnell weg. Wenn nur viele Tote kommen, hat man eigentlich keine Chance mehr.
Before we can think about bringing our whole group here to stay, we need to figure out if this place is as safe as they're telling us.
Right.
So sehe ich die
Obviously,
Sache.
they think it's safe. But is it safe enough for the kids? I noticed a broken swing over there. Not a big deal, but maybe there's other things not working that we just can't see yet.
And checking the fence
Ja.
perimeter sounds like a decent way to get a good look at their defenses.
All right.
Gucken wir uns das
I'll
doch
keep
mal
my
an.
eyes open, and you find out what you can from Andy.
Ja klar, wie gesagt, wenn viele Tote auf Mulde unterwegs sind, da hilft auch der ganze Elektrozaun nichts mehr. Weil wenn ich mal denn so anguck, das sind nur dünne Pfosten. Wenn ich überleg, ein Walker latscht dagegen, der nächste hinten dran auch, kriegt vielleicht auch noch eine gelangt, aber wenn dann 4, 5 Reihe Walker durchstehen, die drücken das um, da ist eine Bresche drin und dann kommen sie locker durch. Dann hilft auch der Zaun nichts mehr. Das bringt noch was bei Einzelnen und wenn sie verteilt sind über das ganze Gelände.
Too bad it's broken.
Also die reine Logik sagt man das jetzt zumindest mal.
Like this to play on.
Kids used to like that old swing even more than the tour sometimes.
I'll bet. Mind if I fix it?
Sure, that'd be great. Mama sure does appreciate y'all helping out.
Looks like it just needs a new board for the seat and some rope. Make it safe for Clem and Duck. And let the St. John's know we can pull our weight around here.
Jo, wie gerne eine Schaukel. Gibt's bestimmt bessere Sachen, um zu zeigen, dass man anpacken kann. Wie Zaun repariere und sowas. Das ist nützlicher als eine Schaukel zu reparieren. Zumal von denen wahrscheinlich keiner am Schaukler ist. Quatschen wir noch mal ein bisschen mit dem Mark.
So what have you found out? Is this looking like a good place to stay?
I'll keep looking around.
All right. Keep me posted.
Okay. Den mag ich eigentlich auch, den Mark, muss ich sagen. Der scheint ja von der Air Force Base zu kommen, wie wir erfahren haben. Also so wie die Lilly wahrscheinlich. Jo, da haben wir noch der Andy St. John. Und sein Bruder, der Charlie Harper verarme, der ist gerade auch bei seiner Mama. Haben wir noch ein Brett?
This is too big right now, but if I can find something to cut it down to size, this might make a good seat for the swing.
Das dachte ich mir doch auch gerade. Da mache ich Säg. Dann benutzen wir das Ding doch gerade mal, oder?
Mind if I use one of these boards?
Already making some repairs, huh? I like a guy who takes some initiative. Yeah, go right ahead.
Na Allah. Und ich steht Sache, das Säge. Das ist jetzt unser letzte Tat für hier. Und wir sehen uns wieder in der nächsten Episode. Da steckt das sich jetzt auch einfach mal in die Tasche. Ich meine, meine Hosentasche ist auch immer Platz genug für ein ganzes Brett. Aber sei es drum. Wir sehen uns in der nächsten Episode von Let's Play The Walking Dead Season 1 auf pälzisch. Machen's gut bis dahin. Euer Jenki.